Welcome back to Add Art, or should I say welcome bat, because today is another Add Art Halloween special and I'm going to show you how to draw a vampire bat. Now, before I do, just a quick reminder to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll be the first to know when I've released another Halloween tutorial or Add Art drawing. Okay, get ready to go batty, let's make a start. First we'll begin by drawing the bat's eyes. One there, one next to it. I'll put the pupils in. Just make those a little bit bigger. Give it a sticky up nose. And a smile. And as it's a vampire bat, let's put in those sharp teeth. Put the eyebrows in. Bring his cheeks round here. The top of the head and down. And I'm making this quite furry because bats are mammals and they're actually like flying mice really. Bring the ear up and around and back down. We'll copy that on the other side. And bats actually see in the dark using a special skill called echolocation, and they make noises and can tell the distance of an object by how quickly the sound bounces back at them. Put his chin in. Continue with this furry body down the other side, and they're the only mammals capable of continued flight. So let's put the feet in here. And they use those claws to grip on when they hang upside down. And let's put the wings in. So we come down and then up and across. These are almost like fingers. We'll have this hooked thumb and really long spindly fingers. These actually spread out across the wing and they're bones inside. Bring that back, down and up. And again we'll copy that on the other side. And apparently there's over 1,000 different bat species. They can live for over 20 years. Now most bats feed on insects and others eat fruit and fish. But there are 3 species of vampire bat which feed on blood. And they have these small and sharp teeth which they can pierce an animal's skin without them even noticing. It might look strange, like he's got really long nails at the moment, but we'll fill in the wings and it'll start making a bit more sense. Okay, we'll join from one to the other, and I'm just lifting that up slightly so it's curved in. It's going towards its feet. Again, do that the other side, so curved up, and one last one. Put a little bit more wing between those gaps there. Put some detail on the body. And there we have it. There is our Halloween vampire bat flying spookily through the moonlit sky. Now, before I go, just a quick reminder to check out all my other tutorials like these on my Add Art channel. You can do this by clicking on my double pencil profile picture. Also, if you've enjoyed drawing along with me today, do give this video a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. Finally, if you know someone who'd also love ad art, then please share the channel with them. But that's it for today, and I hope to draw along with you again soon. Bye for now.